we shall move on to the next problem. So total number of A's that are divisible by 3. So my alphabet here consists of AB. Okay, alphabet consists of AB that are divisible by 3. Okay, A's should be divisible by 3. So what is the basic condition here? The basic condition here is A and then A. Okay, A and then A. So divisible by 3 is only with respect to A. Then what about B's? The number of B's can be anything. So I can have B in the beginning, I can have B at the end, and I can have B in between also. Okay, so basic condition is 3 A's and they have not told anything about B, but my alphabet consists of B and this B can appear anywhere. So we shall write a regular expression with respect to this. That is my regular expression. In the beginning I can have anything and the number of A's, it should be divisible by 3. So in the beginning I can have any number of B's and then I have a and then in between once again any number of B's, one more A, and then you can have any number of B's and then one more A, and at the end once again I can have any number of B's. Okay, so I have written this for 3 A's. Divisible by 3 in the sense I can have 3 A's, I can have 6 A's, I can have 9 A's, and this goes on. That is, this particular combination can repeat any number of times. Okay, this combination can repeat any number of times. So this is a base case. So what I will do, this particular combination can be repeated any number of times. So 0 or more occurrences. Okay, so everything, how much ever A's you get, it will be divisible by 3. The next one, the language is given A to the power of 2n, B to the power of 2m plus 1. And what is m and n? M and n is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so greater than or equal to 0. So n, it can be 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. The value of m also, it can be 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. So considering the base condition 0, okay, consider the base condition 0 for n and m, so what will you get? Okay, so it tells that the number of A's here is even and the number of B's here, okay, A to the power of 2n, B to the power of 2m. So both is greater than or equal to 0. So it means that even this is even. Okay, even this is even. Even plus 1, what will you get? It is odd. So this combination will be even number of times and this combination will be odd number of times. So you know how to write even occurrences and odd occurrences. So such regular expressions you have already written. So A and B, it means that my alphabet consists of A and B. So number of A's will be even. My regular expression is number of A's, it will be even. What about number of B's? Number of B's are odd. That is 1B and then this combination can be anything. That is number of A's are even followed by number of B's are odd. The next one, A to the power of n and B to the power of m. So what is m plus n? It is given that m plus n is even. So when will you get, you are doing sum of two things, when will you get the sum as even? That is even plus even, the result will be even, and odd plus odd, also the result will be even. So you have two combinations, that is either even number of A's and even number of B's, or I can have odd number of A's and then odd number of B's. Okay, I have two combinations. Okay, two combinations. So based on this we will write a regular expression now. That is even number of A's and even number of B's. So A followed by B. So how will you write even number of A's and B's? Even number of A's, so it can repeat any number of times, and then even number of B's, that is BB. Even number of A's, even number of B's, or I can have odd number of A's and then odd number of B's. How to write odd number of A's? One A extra here. So A star, and then B, BB star. String of A's and B's whose third symbol from right is A. Okay, whose third symbol from right is A. My alphabet consists of A's and B's. Third symbol from right. So from right I'll consider first symbol, second symbol, and then third symbol. So they have, according to the question, it is strictly told that third symbol from right is A. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So what does it mean? In the beginning I can have anything. Okay, in the beginning I can have anything. And what about this last one and last but one? I can have only one character. Okay, I can have here only one character. And what is this character? This character here, since my string consists of A's and B, it can either be A or it can be B. Okay, so third symbol from right is A. Here I can have anything. Here I can have either A or B. Here I can have either A or B. So what will be the regular expression? The regular expression will be, in the beginning I can have anything, A plus B star, 0 or more occurrences, and then A. So here I have A or B, and then here also A or B. So from right, 1, 2, 3, third symbol is A. Next one, strings of zeros and ones such that it starts and ends with the same symbol. Okay, starts and ends with the same symbol. So strings of zeros and ones, it means that my alphabet is 0, 1. Okay, alphabet is 0, 1. In the beginning and at the end I have same symbol. That is, in the beginning if I have 0, at the end also I should have 0. In between it can be anything. One more combination is either I can have this, or in the beginning if I have 1, at the end also I should have 1, and in between you can have anything. Okay, this is one more combination. This is one combination, this is one more combination. So in between any, in the sense 0 or more occurrences. So how to write the regular expression for this? So first I'll write with respect to this. So it begins with 0. In between I can have anything. It should end with 0. Okay, so this is my one combination. Or what will be my next combination? In the beginning and at the end I should have 1. That is 1. In between 0 or 1, any combination, and at the end I should have 1. Okay, so this is the regular expression. The next problem, strings of A's and B's that do not end with AB. Okay, it shouldn't end with AB. So strings of A's and B's, in the sense my alphabet consists of AB. It shouldn't end with AB. In the sense, what can you have at the end? At the end I can have AA. Okay, at the end I can have BB. At the end I can have BA. Okay, I can have this, I can have BB, I can have BA, but I shouldn't have AB combination. Okay, this combination I shouldn't have. So how to write the regular expression for this? In the end if I have AA, BB and BA, what about the beginning? In the beginning I can have anything here. Okay, in the beginning I can have anything. This combination I shouldn't have. That is, I can have AA, or I can have BB, or I can have BA, and in the beginning I can have anything with respect to A and B. So the regular expression will be, in the beginning I can have anything, 0 or more occurrences of AB, and then I can have either AA, or I can have BB, or I can have BA. AA, BB or BA. So in this means at the end I can have only A and only B also. So here you can consider the occurrences, 0 or more occurrences, and if at all you want A and B at the end, and then you can also plus A and plus B at the end. Okay. So based on the question that you have written, you have understood at the end if you want A and B, you can include A and B at the end. That is, so here it can end with AA, BB, BA. So I told you at the end you can add either A or B. That is, so here it shouldn't end with AB, but it can end with A and it can end with B, and in the beginning it can have anything. So according to the regular expression here, it can be only A, okay, it can be only B, okay, but AA or BB or B, in the sense it should accept at least 1 out of 3. But that is not the case, okay, so it can be anything. So what shall I do here? I'll take it as 0 or more occurrences. If I take 0 or more occurrences, what happens? This will be 0 or more occurrences, and here at the first run it may be A, in the next run it may be B, A. So this is 0 or more occurrences, so it can be any number of times. So what I will do is, in order to satisfy this condition, that is only A or only B, so what we shall do is, in the beginning I can have any number of occurrences here, at the end I can have AA, BB, BA, or I'll take it as epsilon. Okay, or epsilon. So when I consider epsilon here, now epsilon in the sense I can either have this or I need not have this. If that is the case, I can have only A or I can have only B. Okay. The next problem, the language here, the language L, A to the power of n, B to the power of m. So what about this value of n? It can be greater than or equal to 4 and m is less than or equal to 3. So n greater than or equal to 4, in the sense I can have 4, 5, 6, anything. M less than or equal to 3, in the sense I can have 0, 1, 2, 3. You are not considering any negative values here because negative occurrences cannot be considered. Okay. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So here I can have only these many combinations, either 0, 1, 2 or 3. But with respect to n, minimum is 4 and then it can be anything. So A to the power of n, in the sense it means that I should have minimum 4 A's. Okay, minimum number of A's are 4, then it can be anything. What about B? B, it can be either 0 B's, it can be 1 B, it can be 2 B's, or it can be 3 B's. So we should write the regular expression so that it satisfies 0, 1, 2 or 3, and minimum condition is 4. That is minimum 4 A's. My regular expression A, minimum 4 A's, 1, 2, 3, 4. Minimum 4 A's, and then it can be any. So what I will do, after 4 A's I will write 0 or more occurrences. Okay, minimum 4A and then any number of A's. So with respect to this, I will consider 0 B's. So 0 B's, epsilon, I need not write anything. My one more comment, I am done with 0. Next I will consider with respect to 1, that is or I can have A, minimum 4 A's, any number of A's followed by 1 B, or I will write with respect to 2 now, that is minimum 4 A's, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then any number of A's followed by 2 B's, that is BB. Next, one more combination is I can have minimum 4 A's and then followed by 3 B's, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, minimum 4 A's, any number of A's followed by 3 B's. Okay. So this is the regular expression. So instead of writing the entire thing, we shall solve it. That is, I'll write the regular expression as, so what is common here? A star is common for everything, right? So I'll just take it out. 1, 2, 3, 4 A's, and then 0 or more occurrences of A, and then I need not have anything. So either epsilon, or that is 0 B's, or 1 B, or 2 B's, or 3 B's. Okay, so this is a regular expression. Next one, exactly 1, 1 and even number of zeros. So according to the question, my alphabet has either zeros or ones. Exactly 1, 1. So in the big, I have exactly 1, 1 and then even number of zeros. That is even number of zeros, 0, 0, and this combination can be anytime. Okay, exactly 1, 1 and then even number of zeros. So according to the regular expression that I have written here, it is exactly 1, 1 followed by even number of zeros. Okay, so if it is like I have only 1, 1 and then even number of zeros, it can be anywhere. It means that I can either have in the beginning or I can have it at the end. So exactly 1, 1 followed by even number of zeros. Okay, if even number of zeros are anywhere, you can change it to 0, 0 star 1 and then 0, 0 star, that is 0, 0 star, and then 0 or more occurrences of even number of zeros, exactly 1, 1, 0 or more occurrences of even number of zeros. Next one, at least 1, 0 and at least 1, 1. At least 1, 0 and at least 1, 1. So similar problem I had solved before. So you can write any number of regular expressions for the given language. So you can write it in your own way. So right now what I'll write is at least 1, 0, 1, 0 and then 0 or more occurrences. At least 1, 1 and once 0 or more occurrences. The next one, at least 1A and at least 1B. Okay, at least 1A and 1B. What does my alphabet consist of? My alphabet consists of A, B and then C. So my regular expression here is at least 1A and then I can have any number of A's, at least 1B and then I can have any number of B's, and then I have C. The occurrences of C is 0 or more. Next one, strings of zeros and ones whose lengths are multiple of 3. Okay, lengths are multiple of 3. So they have not specified I should have these many zeros and these many ones. So the combination can be anything, but minimum it should be 3. And then multiples of 3 in the sense 3, 6, 9, so on. So here I can have either 0 or 1. Okay, 0 or 1, and this combination can repeat any number of times. Okay, the combination here can repeat any number of times. That is, I can have 0 or 1. Okay, next once again I can have 0 or 1. Next once again I can have 0 or 1. And this combination can be any times. Okay, this combination can be any times. So the entire thing is 0 or more occurrences. Next one, alphabet is ABC. So the alphabet is A, B, C. Fourth symbol from right is A and it ends with B. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So fourth symbol from right is A. Fourth symbol from right is A and it ends with B. So here it means that it can be either A or B. It consists of C also, so A, B or C. Here also it can be either A, B or C, and in the beginning it can be anything. That is my regular expression. In the beginning I can have A or B or C. 0 or more occurrences, then fourth letter from right is A, then I can have any combination here, A or B or C, next once again A or B or C, and at the end I can have B. Next one, the language is, the string consists of A and B, where every A is immediately preceded and followed by B. Okay, every A is preceded and followed by B. Every A is preceded by B and followed by B. So this is any time. So wherever I have before and after, I should have B. That is B, A, B, any number of occurrences. The next one, the number of A's and B's. The number of A is with respect to n, that is the value of n is less than or equal to 4. That is, I don't have negative values here. So the combination will be either 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So m minimum is 2, then it can be any number of times. So it is similar to the problem that was done that time. So A, it can either be 0 or 1 or 2 or 3. And what about the number of B's? B's minimum it is 2. So when I consider 0 here, I need not have any number of A's. What is the number of B's? Minimum 2 B's, and then I can have any number of B's. Or I can have 1 A and then 2 or more B's. 1 A and then minimum 2 B's and then any number. Or the same thing I can have with respect to 2 and then 3. That is 2 A's and then B, B, any number of B's. And then with respect to 3, that is 3 A's, A, and then B, B, and then any number of B's. So I am done with it. No, n is less than or equal to 4. So you have 4 also. So with respect to this, I have 4 A's, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 A's, and then minimum 2 B's and then any number of B's. So you can see that B star is in common here everywhere. So I'll take it out as a common, that is regular expression R is B, B, B star, and then I can have epsilon or 1A or 2 A's or 3 A's or 4 A's. Okay. So these were the few examples. Similarly, any language with respect to any alphabets, any number of questions can be given. Okay. So reading the language and then the alphabets, you have to write the regular expressions on your own.